I just wanted to show you a little bit about this whistle, this train whistle. It's a fairly small one, completely brass, and I just wanted to show you how it works. So you can hear my voice. I'm speaking just about normal voice where I'm not speaking loudly. And I'm going to blow it once where I'm just blowing very lightly, and then I'll blow it as hard as I can so you can hear how it sounds both ways. So here we go. So there it is. If you have any questions, send me a message on eBay. Thank you.